Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Nintendo Online membership. So if you want to go ahead and play like Super Smash Brothers Online or something like that, go on down to the Nintendo eShop right here on your Switch. Select A on this, then choose your profile. Now under this screen, you could scroll all the way down to the left to where it says Membership Online or wherever, Nintendo Switch Online right here. But I've noticed this tends to load a little bit slow. So what I like to do is go up to the upper right and go to my profile icon and then select A on that. I'll bring you to this. Then go to Nintendo Switch Online right here. Then you can go to membership options. And then it's going to bring up this page where you can see like a trial to use for like 7 days or something like that. You can do an individual account or a family one. So this is going to have different pricing. So here's the individual membership on the top. So 3 months is like $8. 12 months is about $20 a year. That's not bad. And then you can do the free trial. And then the family one is a little bit different. Allows up to 8 Nintendo Switch accounts in a family group to use. This is $80 a year. So you can have multiple different accounts right there. And automatic renewal is turned on. So just heads up, you're going to want to go ahead and cancel that out. Cancel, just select account information, select Nintendo Switch Online, and select cancel your subscription. And that will turn off the automatic renewal. So your credit card will not get charged. So just a heads up, that is on. But just come to this section, and then you can purchase whatever one you want. So let's go to purchase the 12-month for $50 a year. Is that what I saw? Please enter your zip code. So you do need to enter in a zip code for tax reasons. This is required to calculate the sales tax for your state or country. So once you type that in, you'll probably have to have your credit card in there too. So you can go back and you can go up to your account right here and you can see the available funds. You could add the funds to your wallet right here if you want to go ahead and do that before you buy it. Otherwise, you can add a credit card to your account or PayPal. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.